Welcome student in my math class. Today topic is how to find out the cube root of any negative numbers. We could earlier know about the cubes and it's the cube root. So let us start with solving the cube root of negative 512. Then how we could solve these type of question, the negative of the any cube root. We could write this as cube root of minus 1 into 512, as we could also write as the cube root of minus 1 and the cube root of 512. And we know that the cube root of minus 1 becomes minus 1, and it is simply write down the cube root of 512. Then how we know that the cube root of minus 1 becomes minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1, and this minus 1 becomes the plus 1, and this minus 1 becomes minus 1, and we know that the minus 1 into plus 1 is equal to minus 1. It means the cube of minus 1 becomes minus 1. It means the cube root of minus 1 becomes the minus 1. Then rest minus 1 into cube root of 512. Then we could solve of the cube root of 512 with the help of the factorial method. So write down the 512 in the factorial method. Firstly, this is the 512 is the even number divided with 2. Then 2 2s are 4 and becomes 11. 2 5s are 10. 2 6s are 12. Again 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 8s are 16. 2 another times. 2 6s are 12. 2 4s are 8. Against 2 times. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. Against 2 times. 2 1s are 2. 6. 2 8 is 16. Against 2 times. 2 4 is 8. Against 2 times. 2 1 is 2 2 is 4. 2 1 is 2. So in this we could see that the group are pairing of the three numbers. This is the first pair, this is your second pair, and this is your third pair. With this help of first bunch we could find out only 2, and with the help of this bunch we could find out only 2, and the last and third bunch we could find out the 3. It means the 512 we could write over here the 512, the cube root of 512 we could write the here with the cube of 2 to the power cube root of the 2 to the power 9. 9. In the power terms we could solve with the 3 2 to the power 9 equal to 2 9 by 1 by 3. 3 1 ja 3 3 3 is 9. It means this answer is 2 to the power 3, which is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 or equal to 8. This is the way to find the cube root of with the help of power method. Otherwise we could know that we could find out the only 3 pair of the cube root of 512, and it means first pair we could give 1 2, another pair give 2, and last one pair give 2. It means minus 1 into 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, minus 1 into 8 is becomes minus 8. It means the cube root of 512 becomes minus 8. This is your answer. So this way we could find out the cube root of any negative numbers with the help of the factorial method or with the help of the power method. This is the table of perfect cube and it's the cube root, in which we could the number of from 1 to 10, and we could know the cube roots and the cube roots of the numbers of positive and negative numbers. These are the table of negative numbers, and this is the table of positive numbers. And this is your homework to learn the cube roots and the cube of the positive numbers from 1 to 10 and the negative numbers from 1 to 10. And for the solving these two homeworks also given. First homework is find out the cube root of minus 343. Another homework is find out the cube root of minus 729. These are the two homework. I hope you could solve these homework with the help of this video and give the answer in the comment box. This is your solving homework and this table of perfect cube of cube roots of positive 1 to 10 number and negative 1 to 10 numbers. Thank you very much.